Famine hits Bethlehem. A family leaves Elimelech, Naomi, their two sons, looking for bread in Moab. But tragedy follows. Elimelech dies. The sons marry Moabite women. Orpah, the sons marry Moabite women. Ruth, both sons die too. 3 widows, 3 graves, 1 fragile future. Naomi hears bread has returned to Bethlehem. She tells her daughters-in-law to go back to their families. Orpah, tearfully, returns. Ruth stays.
Where you go, I go. Where you stay, I stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God.
They arrive in Bethlehem at barley harvest. Naomi is bitter, empty. Ruth goes to glean, the ancient safety net, gathering leftover grain behind the reapers. She finds herself in the field of Boaz, a relative of Elimelech. Boaz notices her courage. Boaz notices her kindness.
He tells the workers to protect her.
He lets her glean abundantly. Ruth brings home more than grain. She brings hope. Naomi recognizes God's kindness and a path forward. Boaz is a kinsman redeemer. He can secure the family's future.
Naomi coaches Ruth to ask plainly for redemption and protection.
Ruth goes at night, at the threshing floor, not to seduce, but to be seen, honorably, humbly, under the shelter of Boaz's care.
Boaz blesses her for choosing faithfulness over convenience. He promises to do everything the law and love require.
If a nearer relative won't.
At the city gate, Boaz gathers the elders.
The nearer relative declines, worried about his own inheritance.
Boaz steps in, redeems the land.
Marries Ruth.
The town blesses them. May this house be like the great families of Israel.
Ruth, the outsider, becomes a mother. She places baby Obed in Naomi's arms, turning bitterness back into joy. Obed fathers Jesse. Jesse fathers David. Ruth's faith threads all the way to Israel's greatest king, and generations later, to Jesus. This is the story. Loyalty in loss, providence in the ordinary, redemption worked out in harvest fields and honest promises. When life feels empty, glean what you can. Stay faithful. Look for doors God quietly opens.